How long now have you been doing art?
I've been actually doing art ever since I was 5. I'm 66 now. I photographed some clay pieces and I took them out of focus, and then I created a story behind each of the paintings. I added my own story to them. The eyes themselves tell a story about our people constantly holding back, telling our stories, or telling our stories through our eyes. People look at us and they don't really know, they're just looking on the outside, but our colorful spirit, that's where the colors come from. Our colorful spirit draws people to us, or they'll draw them away from us based on their intentions, okay? So the eyes never lie, no matter what. It can tell if you're sick. It can tell if you have a story behind it all. And that's why I've put special emphasis on the eyes themselves.
This would be considered a mixed media piece.
Okay.
So it's like different mediums that I use, as you can see in here, different textures along with the actual paint. For this particular piece, I use acrylic paint. And so this piece is titled I Am She, which represents one person. But you know how back in the days they always had the whole light skin versus dark skin, but either way we're still beautiful, right? And then you have that battle where you want your hair to be natural, and then again you want it to be straight.
Nice.
Right, so that's what this whole piece is all about.
What is right here? What is made from?
This is a part of the dress.
What is this like? I can touch it?
Well, you're not supposed to touch art.
I
I know it's tempting, that's what my pieces do to you. My pieces make you want to touch them.
Tell me about this one right here.
Okay, this is a social justice piece, and it talks about, or it speaks to the impact that incarceration has on the family, and that everybody's heart is broken, from the wife's heart to the children's heart, and even the father's heart is broken. So sometimes people make choices and they don't realize the impact that their choices will have on the people that they love the most.
We all have artistic abilities within. No matter how you place your art on canvas, on paper, tell your story. Some people use writing, some people use painting, some people just sketch. But there's always a story behind the story behind the story. So, which one is you?
Come chat with me.